Good morning, everybody. Got another Karnivor that's rebuilt. Oop, fell out of those feet. But for another customer, this one had a messed up frame on it. It looked like somebody grinded to fit a regulator on there. We rebuilt everything, all the pneumatics. Still know it had a leak. Got to get him a new ram because the QEV was non-rebuildable. It is, but it'll be a pain in the butt. Anyways, let me. He has the original barrel. I just like it wasn't freak bar. It's too big for the ball itself. I'm using HK balls. 284, 277, 277, 298. Here we go. We're on ramp. There you go. Hope you love it, man. And we're out of balls.